In this video, I will explain to you how to use your personalized padlock and customize a code specifically for you to use on your front door of your private room. If you notice the lock you should be given, it will be on the preset code of 000. You should be able to see the little arrow indicator right at the top. That's where you align the numbers up with. It's an arrow on the top and an arrow on the bottom. To put your own custom code, you would simply open the lock, rotate it in a 90-degree angle. So you rotated the lock 90 degrees, and you should be able to squeeze the lock, putting it in the palm of your hand. You should be able to squeeze the lock, and it should be able to move in. It's a little slight movement inside. You can see it moving, going in. And the way you have to set the lock is you hold it in the entire time you change the lock to your own personal number. So I'm going to change the lock to a different number, and you'll see how it works. Okay, I've just changed the lock to the number of 7788. You can see again the arrows are pointing to the number 7788, and I still have my hand compressing the lock down while I was doing it. You have to hold it down the entire time. Now when I release my hand, the lock will be set on that new number there. And I should be able to take the lock, and it should go down all the way into the chamber, which it does. And it opens and closes in and out of the chamber. So now I'm going to have it closed, and then I'll change the number to something different, and it should be locked. So now it is not on that 7788 number, and the lock is closed. It will not open. When I put it back on the 7788 number, it should open again. 7788. 7788, and there it goes. So that's how you set your lock. When you're done with the lock, it's advised to reset it back to 000, or you could leave it at your code, but don't leave it locked. Make sure you have it so that it's in an open position, either using your code or if you reset the code back to 000. Thank you, and that's the instructions on how to set your own personal code for your lock on your private room door.